Today we are making a simple, soft, fresh white bread, perfect with anything. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, add 500 grams of flour, 7 grams of yeast, 10 grams of salt. Gradually pour in 335 milliliters of water, not all at once. Mix until the dough feels firm but springy to the touch. Lightly flour your work surface and turn the dough out. Knead for 8 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Transfer to a well-oiled bowl, place the dough inside and cover it with cling film. Let it rise for about 1 hour or until doubled in size. Flour your workspace again, then gently shape the dough into a log. Place it in a loaf pan and proof for another hour or until it's double in size again. For a better seal, use a rubber band around the rim. This keeps the moisture in and helps the dough rise evenly. Slowly lift the cling wrap up so it doesn't destroy the surface. If you want, score the dough for a nice pattern. Bake in a preheated oven at 230 Celsius for 20 minutes until golden brown. Enjoy!